For over 2 decades, China's economy has been on an unprecedented trajectory of growth. But while progress was happening all around, advancements in tube manufacturing technology were lagging. Last June, I traveled to Wuxi, Jiangsu to visit a client. It was an eye-opening experience. Seeing workers enduring physically demanding labor in brutal summer heat. This is what the reality of the tube manufacturing process looks like. This experience sparked a new perspective. I realized our workers deserved better, a safer, more comfortable, more efficient workplace. That's when we accelerated our research into non-mold changing technology. Our vision is not only about improved performance, but also about the well-being of everyone involved. This technology is the result of our commitment, and it's about creating a better future for the tube manufacturing industry.